Dear friends, in the face of the current challenges that we face as a global community, it is more important than ever to embrace qualities such as humility and patience. As we navigate through a world that is constantly changing and evolving, we must be willing to adapt and learn from our experiences. We must also be willing to work together to find solutions to the complex problems that we face. Humility is an essential trait that allows us to acknowledge our limitations and recognize that we don't have all the answers. It allows us to approach problems with an open mind and a willingness to learn from others. We must recognize that no one person or group has all the solutions to the challenges that we face. Therefore, we must be willing to work together, listen to others' perspectives and ideas, and collaborate to find the best solutions. Patience is also crucial in these difficult times. Change takes time, and it can be frustrating when we don't see immediate results. But we must remember that progress is made through small steps and consistent effort. We must be patient with ourselves and with others as we work towards a better future. It's important to remember that we are all in this together. Regardless of our backgrounds, beliefs, or circumstances, we are all part of the same global community. Our actions and choices impact not only ourselves, but also those around us. Therefore, we must approach each other with compassion and empathy, recognizing that we are all trying to navigate through these challenging times as best we can. In conclusion, let us embrace humility and patience as we face the challenges of this day and age. Let us work together, listen to each other, and be open to new ideas and perspectives. With these qualities, we can overcome even the most difficult obstacles and build a better future for ourselves and future generations. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to share this video, smash the like button, and subscribe for future videos. Bye.